Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 32. The total surface area of a hemisphere is 75 pi centimeter square. Find its radius. A 5 centimeter, B 7 centimeter, C 8.5 centimeter, and D 12 centimeter. Now the total surface area of a hemisphere is given as 3 pi r square. Now we're given that this total surface area of this hemisphere is 75 pi, meaning that 3 pi r square is equals to 75 pi centimeter square. Now from here we can cancel out this pi, and we can see 3r square is equals to 75. Remember, we're looking for r. Now from here I can see r square is equals to 75 all over 3, and this is equals to 25, meaning that r square is equals to 25. Now from here we can see r is equals to the square root of 25, and therefore r is equals to 5.0 centimeter, and this is option A. So this is the answer to this question, that is the radius of this hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.